Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open General Management and go to date and time. So you can use either automatic date and time, or you can switch it off by tapping on this icon, and then you can select the date, time, and also time zone. At first region and then time zone manually by yourself. So this is it. This is how you can switch off automatic setup and then set up date, time, and also time zone by yourself. You can also switch off automatic 24-hour format clock by tapping on this switcher, and now you will have 12-hour format clock. So this is it. This is how you can change the date and time in your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers, and as you can see, now you're back in the automatic setup. So that would be all, so you can smoothly change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.